Welcome to our KYOCERA site in Erfurt, the state capital of Thuringia in the middle of the green heart of Germany. We have been producing silicon wafers for the photovoltaic industry since 1997 at this place. In the last years, we have modified our unique multi-wire sawing process for a wide spectrum of different materials like ceramics, glass, crystals and metals. Since the beginning of 2025, we are part of the KYOCERA Group. With our wire saws, we slice different ceramics for our colleagues in Mannheim and Selb. Furthermore, we offer a slicing service for our external customers from the optical and the semiconductor industry. With the entry in the KYOCERA Group, we took over the assembling of the fume scrubbers and the neutralisation units from the site in Mannheim. Currently, we are commissioning a flat grinding process. With that application, we can offer an additional processing step after wire sawing.